Hi,
Level 3, Uptown Swing.
that's Maddie.
That's J Money.
We taught variations.
Yep. And we started with scissor kicks. So if you remember, we talked about, I'll do them frontwards,
I'll
you
do
do
it
them
this way, yeah.
backwards. But we talked about doing that scoop-a-doo, a scoop-a-doo, a scoop-a-doo, a scoop-a-doo. Practice them solo. And then we put them in swing out on the 7, 8, 1, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2.
And then we did a little shake.
Oh yes.
Shake, a shake.
That wasn't right. So
Let's do it
5,
this
6,
time.
7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1.
Shake, shake, triple. And then we did a sweep and shake. So we did the sweep on 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what do we do, Maddie?
Then we did the kicks on 1 and.
That's right.
So again, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1
5.
and the triple step. Do da da do da da.
And that's what we did.